Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put page number in Excel footer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the header and footer option. Now we can see here the header footer box. Now we want to add the page number on the footer. Select the footer dialog box. Then we go to the header and footer option, select the page number option. We can see here the number of pages. Click inside the text sheet and go to the view menu, select the normal option. Then we go to the file menu, select the print option. We can see here the page number on the footer. Now we can see we put page number in Excel footer very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.